So I'm about to hydro test this tank here, this air tank, and I've just got a ball valve right here on the main port, or what I'm going to use as the main port, and then a ball valve for the drain plug, and so I have those both shut off. And then right here I've put my pressure gauge on top here, and then a grease zerk right here, an 1/8 inch grease zerk, and to 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapter, 1/4 inch pipe nipple, and then the 1/4 inch T thing on the tank. And then I found a little 1/4 inch plug sitting around, and so I plugged up this hole, and that's where I'm going to fill it up, and then I'll put the tank check valve back in. And it may leak. If it does, then oh well. Hopefully I'll still be able to get up to pressure. So I'm going to start filling it up. Okay, I've got a garden hose, and I couldn't find a sprayer thing, so I'm just using this ball valve thing on the end. And so I'm going to start filling it up, and I'll get back once it's filled up. Okay, I've got it kind of angled in on the gauge, and I'm going to connect up the grease gun right there, and start pumping. So I'll get back once there's some pressure built up. Well, I've run into a little problem. Tank check valve is in fact leaky. So maybe when like the compressor is running and there's lots of pressure, substantial pressure in the tank, it should probably seal up. But for now, for this, I can't get enough pressure in there for it to be able to hold the valve closed. So I'm probably going to go find a plug to put into the hole right here in the tank instead of leaving the check valve in there. And I'll get back once I have. So I've got a 1-inch plug in the hole where the leaky tank check valve was. Okay, I got the camera in on the pressure gauge, and put the grease gun on and start pumping. And I'll turn the camera back on once it's got some pressure. Okay, the pressure's was at like nearly 120 a moment ago, but my threads are leaking since I didn't tighten down all the fittings as tight as I could have, or will. It's at 120 now. 130. $140. I'm just going to try to take it to 150, because that's what my relief valves are going to be at. As if my fittings don't leak out, aren't leaking out faster than I can put pressure in, but yeah, it's at about 150. There. Yeah, it reached 150. So right there is leaking, and then up here it's also slowly leaking in the threads, so I'll remember to put extra Teflon on those. There's the tank drain. It looks like it's okay. Okay, I am going to drain the tank, and so I've water looks fairly clean coming out of it, so that's a good sign. Well, the tank, none of the welds were leaking. It was just leaky places where the pipe were in. I'll just put more Teflon. Alright. I'll also use some pipe dope, and I'll actually probably only use the pipe dope, and hopefully it'll be able to not leak. Show that the water coming out of here is completely clean. There's nothing, no rust or anything coming out of the tank. Basically what I did, I took this smaller 25-gallon compressor and connected it right into there, and it's run down its pressure a lot. Yeah, there's no scale, rusty, working water or anything. It's real clear, so the tank, that's a good indication the tank is also in good condition.